In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a client intake form in Clio Manage. You will begin from inside Clio Manage while already signed in to your account. From the left navigation menu, click Contacts. This opens the area where client contact records are created and managed. From here, choose whether you want to create a new contact for intake or use one that already exists. If you are creating a new contact, click New Person. If the client already has a contact record, open that existing contact instead so you can add intake details there. Once the contact record is open, enter the client information you have available. This can include the client name, email address, phone number, and address. Add whatever details are relevant for the record you are building, and keep the information consistent with the details you want stored for future use. After the main contact details are entered, scroll down until you reach the Custom Fields section. This is where you can attach intake-specific questions and responses to the contact. In that section, click the Add a Custom Field or Custom Field Set dropdown. From the dropdown, select the custom fields or the custom field set you want to use for intake. This is the point where you decide which additional information you want collected for that client. Depending on how your account is configured, you may see individual fields or a grouped set of fields designed for intake. After those fields are added to the contact, complete the applicable intake fields for the client. Fill in the responses that are relevant to the matter or the intake process you are following. Make sure you choose the correct fields before saving so the contact record includes the information you need. When the intake information has been entered, click Save Contact. This saves both the standard contact details and any custom intake information you added to the record. If you need more intake questions than the current options provide, go to the left navigation menu and click Settings. Under the System section, click Custom Fields. This is where you create additional contact custom fields or build a custom field set for intake. Create the contact custom fields or create a field set that includes the questions and information you want to collect during the intake process. Keep the field names clear so they are easy to recognize later when you return to a contact record. After creating those fields, go back to the client contact. Under Custom Fields, add the new fields or field set when needed so they become part of that client's intake record. Thanks for watching. Your client contact in Clio Manage now includes the intake fields and saved intake information.